Hey y'all, welcome back to another Aiden's World YouTube channel. Today we got kind of a dangerous one, okay? I got a dental appointment to fill a cavity. Hopefully, I have been eating a lot of sweets lately. Hopefully, these won't make the cavities worse. I'm probably gonna go do a deep cleaning of my mouth. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoy this one. I'll blindly grab them from my good old table over here. And yeah, let's get right into it. Alrighty, I switched the thing around without looking. Hopefully there is some really good ones. Oh, there's another one. I'll just chuck that in. But yeah, let's get into it. Let's see what my first one is. It's these. So this is definitely the more interesting option. From the packaging, you can't really know what's going on with it. On the back here it says, oh, it's so small. Skittles with paintball gummies. Colorful fruit flavor. Gummy bears with paintball? What does that mean? Skittles with a small patch of gummy. No, Skittles, small paintball gummy. I don't know what this means. But I'm gonna open it up. There's a cherry on it. And yeah, let's open it up. What the heck are these? So this is what it looks like. The color is a little bit dull because there's no red 40. It just looks like a fruit snack. The smell? Oh, it's so good. The smell already is a 10 out of 10. No questions asked. But let's give it a little nibble. Yo. Skittles was cooking with this one. Where's the yellow one? Oh my. This is so good. Is there another flavor in there? I need to look now. Oh, there's a green one and a purple one. So let's just get the green. I think, yeah, I had that. Did I have the orange? Did not have the orange. But yeah, let's put all this back. I got 2 more. Normally I don't try the whole variety pack because there's probably not that much of a taste. But these two for sure have very unique tastes. So I got the regular, I don't know if you can see that. It's like the regular Skittles logo. Once again, does not let down. I need to show Anna this when she comes back. These things are banging. I don't know how to get these again, but I need to go get some more. Anna bought them for me. I need to like message her right after filming it. I'm like, where did you get those Skittle paw that spanking the panda? Because those things are delicious. Apparently 1 serving size. I think it's just 50 grams or whatever. I don't know what a gram is. But these, banging. But let's pick another one. These ones. Oh, I think I did do these in another one. I think it was at the fish and chip shop video. That was a really weird video, by the way. If you haven't watched it, go watch it. There's some unique drinks, some unique tastes. Most of them not good. But yeah, these were good, if you're wondering. Finally, good to be at heaven once last. Like, look at these. These are like the size of those things. See, that could replace it. I think it's a bit bigger than that, but good comparison. Let's try it. Oh yeah. This is good. No proteins in these at all. I feel like their calorie measuring thing is so weird in different parts of the world. I think the whole bag is 1,000 calories. Ain't no way. That's crazy. 1,000 calories for this one bag? That's crazy. But oh yeah, they're so delicious. Move that down. Yeah, so good. 10 out of 10. I also don't think I rated the last one. If I did, I'm sorry about that. But the last one, 10 out of 10 again. So good. 10 out of 10 bangers. But I do really like Skittles. Yeah, that could play a huge role into it too. I love Skittles. Alrighty, for my next one, I guess I'll get the big package out. Oh. Shoelace or something followed it. Where did it come from? Don't worry, I've been reorganizing them when I was closed. I don't know where this came from. Maybe like some pair of sweatpants that I was like halfway through. At that point, you just have to yank it out, you know. Let me smell these. The smell was provoking. It really puts me off. I don't know if that's quite the terminology. I don't want. Oh, Skittles are flying. Here, let me try a couple. So I got a couple here, and if you inhaled mashed potato power, you kind of get that. But the taste, it's like an 8 out of 10. But the smell, like a 1. I would definitely give this like a 6. I feel like a 6 is a very, very solid score for this. And I should be giving a heads up. Some of these ratings, they don't make any sense. So if you're like taking these and writing them down, I like certain stuff. So my 10 out of 10s might be like a 0 to you. But my 10 out of 10s are like, for sure, go try them. And it gets less and less. I feel like that's fair. But yeah. 6 out of 10 is very fair for these. And they're hard to break up in this. And I think that's like the main problem with it. So, like look at these pieces. This is just one piece, and this is another. But not the best. Like a 6 out of 10. Alrighty. There's 2 left. One's a really weird flavor and just a weird product in general. One, I have no idea what the flavor is. But I guess both of them I don't know what the flavor is. But one's weird for sure. I got the Skittles Suckers. You heard me correctly. Skittle Suckers. It's such a bizarre idea. Really. Why would they make this a thing? And there's no like resealable top either. I think it's individually bagged. So that's a nice little plus. Let's get this open. Oh, what's the flavors? Product name, Skittle Lollipop with fruity flavors. I guess I'm gonna be YOLOing what flavor I'm getting. If anybody knows, let me know in the comments. So there's, oh, it has a picture. Not gonna be trying all of these, but I'll try the weirdest one. It's like cantaloupe. This is pineapple. No idea what this one is. This is pineapple again. This is rhyme. There's only one in here. I think it's Destiny. This is what they all look like in the back. I'm gonna try this one because there's only one in there and I can't really tell what it is. So let's rip it open. And oh, this is how it looks out of the packaging. There's S. It's like a Slurpee almost. That's the shape that it's given. Maybe it's like a 7-Eleven and Slurpee collab. Let's try it. Oh yeah. Smell too? Oh. It smells like mango rind. It's not my favorite flavor, but it's better than some other things. I give it mango rind like a 4 out of 10. And the taste? I think it's individually flavored. I think it's just the same flavor. Probably going crazy there for a second. But it's for sure the same flavor. But yeah. The flavor and the smell. What would I give this? I did not really like the flavor, but it wasn't the worst repulsive smell I ever smelled. Now the last one, I obviously don't need to look, because there's no point in doing that. It's these Skittles. These are Skittle candy lower flavored fruit flavor. Hold on, let me, that word right there, I don't know what it says. I have to like Google translate that word right there. But yeah, I'll have to do something. Why does it come in a bag like this? Why is it like refillable? I think Skittles from different countries, especially if it's like a pack, sometimes you don't really want to eat the pack. You want to savor it for later. Even though I have got up at like 2 o'clock in the morning, just started eating Skittles by the handfuls and going back to bed. I do like Skittles a lot. But let's try this one. Okay, let me get a whiff. Oh, that smells bad. Oh. I went to this truck rally, and that smell in that arena before the cars even started. It was in a pretty country part of town, I would say. And the whole air smelled like cigarettes and beer. That's what this reminds me of. Oh, it smells rancid. Oh. How is this supposed to be fruit flavored? Don't know. But we're gonna give these a little bit of a try. Here, let me dump out. I think these are all the flavors. So there's orange, yellow, light orange, purple. Here's me sorting them out. I don't think I've done that for the video. Okay, I got that. I think this dark purple. Maybe this light orange. No, I already got a light orange. I feel like going back to first grade sorting my colors. Also, this is a side note. The person I don't like is the person who like gets those big bags like Starburst, and then they like pick and choose what one they like, and not eat the other ones. Like, okay, dude, what's the deal here? If you're eating that much candy, you might as well eat all of them. Oh man, they make me mad. But here's the little purple one. Tastes like flower. Like flowers that you would find in a field. Maybe like a dandelion. It also tastes like perfume. Maybe Chanel No. 5. Kind of refreshing, but kind of repulsive. That's the word. But here's yellow. Oh, no, I think this is more of a dandelion. The last one was more of like a daisy or something. This tastes like roots. I know why. Are these just like... Oh... I think it is flour flavored. Not too good so far. Here's orange. Okay, orange. Oh, back to black to flowers. Orange is definitely the best one so far. That has to be like an orchid or something. I don't know, I'm kind of making up these flowers in my head. Okay, so on to the dark pink one. My iStone for it, my iPhone storage, it ran out like midsection in this video. But it's okay. This one is definitely better than the light pink one. No notes of Chanel No. 5. Oh yeah. Side note, I would definitely pick and choose these ones out. I take that sentence back earlier. I would for sure pick and choose these flavors. Some of them are pretty good, then other ones like, oh, Chanel No. 5 does not go down the throat. Maybe it would make my breath smell better. I don't know. But here's the orange, and I'm excited to taste this. Maybe it will taste like Dior Sauvage or something. That's just orange. Yeah, it tastes like a rotten orange peel. Man, I don't like these. I'm a huge fan of Skittles. But these, oh man, they're terrible. There hasn't been a one that's like over like a 5, I would say. That's a rough one. I gave the smell like a 1. And the taste overall is probably like a 2. 1.5 out of 10. I think that's the lowest score in a while. Other than that pickle juice chugging one. My gut was moving after that video. I thought I was gonna die, like actually. But yeah. Alrighty guys, so if you enjoyed that video, give it a like. Subscribe, comment down below what videos you want to see next. And honestly, looking forward to posting this week. And next week, I think the following week after this week is Halloween week. And I'm excited for Halloween. I like to go knocking on people's door at like 10 o'clock. And then you get all the best candy. It's the move. It's the... You have to beat the system, you know? But yeah, guys. If you enjoyed that video, please subscribe. I'm close to 500. Subscribe, please. Please. Bye, guys. See you next week.